What's good, family? Today we're going to be going over some of the reasons why the sneaker resale market is dead, bro. It's over. Like, sneakers that we would have seen in the past going for money, like the Jordan 4 Breads, which we saw released earlier this year. Beautiful sneaker, currently going for retail. Shit is crazy, bro. Bunch of OGs like the Military Blues is another one that's currently going for retail, if not under. Once again, we saw these drop a couple months back. Shits are everywhere, bro. You could deadass get them for the low right now if you need them, which is a great thing, but these are all factors that play into the sneaker resale market, because these prices would have never been that a while ago. In a way, it's starting to show when it comes to these releases and the market. There's a lot of reasons why it's happening, and I will break that down a little bit later in the video, so make sure you stick around. If you guys do end up enjoying this one, make sure you get it to 200 likes, bare minimum, bro. Y'all been showing hella love. Subscribe to the channel. We on road to 30K. But yeah, this is an interesting video. I want to know personally where your head's at when it comes to the whole sneaker game, or when it comes to buying sneakers in general. Do you still buy them? Do you collect them? What's your perspective when it comes to the whole sneaker game? Back in 2020, sneakers had a boom in a sense. We were getting stimmies, you feel me? Virgil was killing it with Off-White. So much shit going on that people started spending ridiculous money on sneakers. That's kind of what just happened, which took sneakers to a whole new level, and it brought people into the culture who weren't necessarily OG sneakerheads. It's just new people who like collecting this new commodity that people are into type shit. Those people, when times get harder or they don't feel like spending money on sneakers no more, they're gonna drift away, and it's kind of what we're seeing now. That, with a bunch of other problems that Nike has been doing, has caused their stock to go down and a bunch of other shit. But from a consumer's perspective, OG sneakerheads are still buying sneakers. It's just all those people that kind of came around when the hype was there fizzled out. There's still hella OG sneakerheads buying sneakers. I don't think that will change. I've loved sneakers my whole life, and I love the fact that I switched my channel towards sneakers. It's something that I'm more connected to in a way. I'm never gonna stop collecting. That's just what I love. And there's a bunch of people out there that are like me, that might appreciate the 14, the 15. We might not care if a sneaker resells. There was always different categories of people who are into sneakers. The casual consumer who doesn't care about the hype shit at all, wants to walk into the store, buy a pair of Dunks and walk out. Casual sneakerhead who pops in here and there for a Jordan 11, an OG colorway, but isn't buying this much shit. There's people who buy this much shit and want to just collect it and see their collection grow. There's also different people who want to collect every colorway of a sneaker. I feel like I'm gonna make a dedicated video just about that in itself, the different types of sneakerheads. But yeah, there's a lot of different people, and some of them only cared about resale. Once that 2020 boom came, they're like, yo, I can make some money in this shit. What's going on? Let me see. So they popped their head in real quick. They were making money, but you see a lot of those same people who came with that in mind not here anymore. And it kind of goes to show that in order for something to have longevity, there has to be feeling behind it. People who cared about sneakers before sneakers blew up always continued to care about sneakers. Those people who came for the money popped their head in and popped their head right back out. I don't necessarily think it's a bad thing. Honestly, kind of appreciate it, because we could get shit like this for retail, which is insane. A couple years back, these would have been $350, $400. Just take it for what it is and enjoy it for what it is. If there's a sneaker you love, chances are you might be able to go to the store and pick it up. Even hype collabs like the Travises aren't going for $1,000 like they used to. At least the more recent releases, they've been going for like $400, $500. Everything considered is still a lot of money, but when you compare it to a couple years back when everything was going for $1,000 plus or damn near around it, I think it's pretty good, bro. If you're trying to get into the hype sneakers, you could definitely get in at a lower budget. J Balvin's damn near under 400. The new black joints, I'm in year 5s. These are too clean, bro. One of my favorite collabs, and they're not even going for nothing too crazy. $200 to $300. Shit like this would have been $400, $500 easily around 2020. I'm not necessarily gonna talk about specific sneakers in this video because I've done that in previous videos, but I'm just trying to reiterate the fact that if you were always into sneakers, now it's the best time. To a certain extent, Nike is also also to blame, bro. There's no innovation like there used to be. We honestly just get retros and new colorways. Damn near, we just get the same retros all the time. Ones, they've been doing it to the fours. We've gotten so many different fours this year. The green joints, the yellow joints, the sail joints, military blues, the breads. Damn near one Jordan 4 a month. This month we got Paris 4s. Next month we got White Thunders. I'm telling you, bro, it's back to back with the same models. We don't see 7s like that. Got a pair of 6s dropping the Olympics, which I'm excited about. We don't see 14s, 13s here and there, 12s here and there. Haven't seen a pair of 10s in a minute. And at the end of the day, those are all retros. As far as new shit goes, really all we had is like the Vomeros, and those might be retros too. It's a crutch for Nike because they're holding on to that nostalgia factor, while other brands like New Balance is bringing in new models constantly. Some of them are retros, but not all of them are. They're trying to bring new shit to the table. As where it seems with Nike and Jordan brand, that's extremely rare. We recently saw the Jumpman Jacks, where I guess they're heading in the right direction, but I'm honestly curious to see where that's gonna take Jordan brand, because typically those off-brand non-retro Jordans end up in outlets, bro. It's the harsh reality. These Jumpman Jacks are actually kind of clean. I'm excited to see what's gonna come from that Jumpman Jack line. With this next one, we low-key gotta stop being delusional, bro. People always say that we hate resellers, we want them to go away, but if you really think about it, there's always been resell when it comes to sneakers. It's just that in these past few years it got kinda out of hand, but there's always been resell, bro. I used to camp out for sneakers like the Glow Greens, Toro 4s, Fear, Jordan 5s. He got Game 13s. I used to be out there camping, bro, and I didn't used to keep every pair. Back in the day, it was on some shit where like I would pay one of the homies to come with me. He make his little bread, we chill, you feel me? Get the heat. I would sell the shits, make a little bit of profit, keep my pair, or sometimes I wouldn't even be into the sneakers, so I'll just be like, fuck it, let's just make this little bit of money real quick. One pair that I regret selling is the Black Grape 5s, bro. I really hope they retro those. I'm yapping. What the fuck is going on? But yeah, back in the day, there still used to be resell. I was camping like in 2012, 2013 for sneakers. There's been people doing this since way before then. So it's on some shit like, can't say we hate resellers. It's a part of the culture, bro. It's always been there, and it's not just there for sneakers. Everything damn near has resale value to a certain extent, so we can't expect it to stop. I know with sneakers, they got out of hand with all the bots and shit. These days, since nothing really has resale, all the botters are just going for Travis's and higher ticket items. Does once again make it harder for us on those specific releases, but we can't let that take away from all the other fire GRs that you could damn near get your hands on for the low. Another reason is that Nike is consistently increasing prices, but the quality isn't increasing, bro. We get the same shit, if not worse, in some occasions, and the prices do not stop going up, bro. 215, 220. We went from 190, 180, 160 to like damn near we're getting retail at 225 these days. Shit is ridiculous, bro, and we're not even getting more plush materials, nothing crazy. Sometimes, like I said, bro, it'd be ass, and we still buy into it. So that's another layer. People are kind of realizing, being like, yo, Nike is damn near scamming us type shit. They're making these pieces for the low, selling it for the hella high, and the reason they're doing that is to kind of cut off resellers, because the more they put their prices up, the less resellers have room to make profit on certain releases. Assuming that's their logic behind it, but from the consumer's perspective, bro, we're not spending $225 on the same trash material sneaker. Like, it's not happening as often anymore. We've kind of realized that certain releases get more attention to detail. Those are the ones that people are gravitating towards. Another one, bro, too many women's releases. I'm not trying to be that person. Trust me, bro. Hear me out before y'all start bashing. Essentially, every men's sneaker could be converted to women's size, and it's very rare for them not to go down to women's size. So it's on some shit like, how y'all gonna cut it off for men past a certain size? Like, that's up. And it's not even like they're doing it on a couple releases a year. They're doing it on a couple releases every month, my boy. Most of the releases that are fire are women's releases. Shit is crazy. And honestly, for me, I could fit the sneakers, so I'm not complaining for myself. I'm doing it for those of y'all who don't have a voice in the matter, bro, because shit is crazy. And like I said, most releases be women's exclusives. I'm gonna give y'all 2 more reasons before I get up out of here. One of them is that with Nike these days, no sneaker is safe. So the collectible matter of these sneakers, like the Undefeated 4s is the most recent spectacle when it comes to Jordan brand. They're gonna be dropping the PE essentially as a full release allegedly. We're also gonna get Wu-Tang Dunks, and these are 2 of the more hyped sneakers that are gonna be coming back. Essentially, it opens that door, a gateway to see, are we gonna get Air Yeezys? Are we gonna get all these other sneakers just because y'all trying to make some money and y'all scared that people are not gonna buy some shit? For me, bro, let's keep not buying shit so they could drop the heat, you feel me? And that's when we get our shit. But that's one of the reasons. The last one, and most importantly, a lot of people are broke, bro. Like, people not about to just be spending money on sneakers when they got bills to pay and a lot of other shit going on. People not making more money, but shit is costing more money. So you gotta eliminate something, bro. You only got 2 feet. If you're not using this as an investment or as like something that you know you can use as a convenience in the future, then you might not be buying sneakers like that. It's just a commodity that you don't need in your everyday life beyond a certain amount of pairs, you feel me? Like, you don't need beyond, I would say, like 5 to 10 pairs. People are broke. It is what it is, bro. Prices of sneakers keep going up. People's pockets not going up, and it's not adding up, you feel me? But that's the end of this video. If y'all enjoyed this one, man, leave a like on it down below. 200 likes is the minimum requirement before you could click off this video. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel because we're on road to 30,000, and I'm more than likely gonna do a giveaway once we get there. So yeah, subscribe to the channel, click one of these 2 videos because that's what YouTube is recommending you to watch based on your previous history. They're saying it's some heat. Matter of fact, check out this video right here because Goat Deadass sent me a pair of Travis's that were missing the stitching, bro. Like, watch this video. Shit is crazy, but I'm gonna catch y'all there. Peace.